The 2025 Ford 8N tractor is a modern tribute to one of the most iconic farm tractors in history. Ford's original 8N, produced from 1947 to 1952, was renowned for its reliability, ease of use, and affordability. Now, nearly 80 years later, Ford has revived the 8N name with a completely reimagined model that blends classic styling with cutting-edge technology. Farmers, collectors, and enthusiasts alike are eager to see how the 2025 version carries on the legendary reputation of its predecessor. The new 8N retains the spirit of the original, with a familiar red and gray paint scheme and a compact, easy-to-maneuver design. However, beneath its nostalgic exterior, this tractor is packed with modern innovations. The heart of the 2025 8N is a turbocharged three-cylinder diesel engine, producing around 50 horsepower, more than double the power of the original model. This new engine provides greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions while delivering the torque needed for a variety of farm tasks. Additionally, Ford has equipped the 8N with an electronically controlled hydrostatic transmission, making operation smoother and more intuitive for both experienced farmers and newcomers. One of the most notable advancements in the 2025 8N is its integration of smart technology. Unlike its mid-20th century counterpart, which relied solely on mechanical controls, this new model features a digital touchscreen display that provides real-time data on fuel consumption, engine performance, and GPS-guided navigation. Farmers can now optimize their work with precision, reducing fuel costs and improving efficiency. Additionally, the 8N supports remote diagnostics, allowing Ford technicians to troubleshoot issues without requiring a trip to the dealership. This feature ensures minimal downtime, keeping the tractor running when it's needed most. Comfort and usability have also been significantly upgraded. The 2025 8N includes a fully enclosed climate-controlled cab, a stark contrast to the open-seat design of the original. Ergonomic seating, advanced suspension, and noise-reducing materials make long hours in the field far more comfortable. The controls are also designed for ease of use, with a simplified joystick system replacing the traditional lever-based operation. For those who prefer a more classic experience, Ford offers an optional open-air version with a more traditional look. Ford has also emphasized versatility with the new 8N. The tractor comes with multiple attachment options, including front loaders, backhoes, and rotary tillers, making it suitable for everything from plowing fields to landscaping. The rear three-point hitch and PTO system have been updated to accommodate modern implements while maintaining compatibility with vintage equipment. By combining nostalgic design with modern technology, the 2025 Ford 8N brings the legacy of the original into the 21st century. Whether used for small farms, hobbyist projects, or as part of a collector's showcase, this new version continues the tradition of reliability, practicality, and innovation that made the original 8N a legend.